one more way to finish a seed bead piece. Now, if you're concerned about crushing a seed bead with this nice little ribbon end, there's another way. You can take this wonderful piece you spent hours creating and glue or stitch it onto a piece of leather. And then, instead of putting the ribbon end directly onto your seed beads, put the ribbon end onto the leather. So a little bit of E6000. Right into that gap there. Slip it over the end of the leather. And squeeze it down with your pliers. Voila. And look at that, easy breezy, finishing up that bracelet.